In this video, we'll discuss preheat indicators and oven performance. Preheating is very important when baking at temperatures above 275 degrees, or when baking items with short cooking times, such as cakes, cookies, biscuits, and other pastries. Preheating is not needed for meats, poultry, or casseroles. While preheating, the bake and broil elements will cycle on and off. This cycling allows the oven to reach and maintain the desired set temperature. Once the preheating is complete, your Café range or oven will alert you that the oven has reached temperature. If you are using a precision cooking mode, simply follow the on-screen instructions. There may be no need to preheat. For some frozen foods, you may be instructed to place the items in the oven before the preheating has completed. After your new oven is preheated, it is important to check to see if the oven's set temperature is accurate. Most convection ovens and ranges have a convection conversion or auto recipe conversion feature, which will automatically calculate and adjust the set temperature for better convection cooking performance. When using this feature, there is no need to adjust recipe temperature or time. Your new oven may have slight variations in timing and cooking performance compared to your previous oven. For the first few uses of your new oven, follow your recipe times and temperatures, and use the rack positions recommended in the cooking guide section in your owner's manual. If the oven still seems too hot or too cold, adjust the temperature to meet your specific cooking preference. For further instructions on how to adjust your oven's temperature, please refer to your owner's manual or our online support videos. We do not recommend using a store-bought oven thermometer to test the oven's temperature. The oven's temperature fluctuates to maintain an average set temperature. Therefore, the temperature will vary from different points in the oven. To learn more about how to test if your oven is reaching the accurate temperature, visit geappliances.com and search Oven Temperature Bake Test.